Hey guys, AB here from B&H, and if you're a Rick and Morty fan, then you're undoubtedly waiting for the new season to arrive. If you're a Rick and Morty fan and a musician, then you probably also know about Teenage Engineering's PO-137 Rick and Morty Limited Edition Pocket Operator.
Show me what you got!
And let me just say this. Teenage Engineering is one of those companies that I really appreciate. Why? Because they make great sounding gear that's compact and super fun to use, which in turn makes you want to make great music.
You have to have a pretty high IQ to be able to operate this little piece of gold.
That's not true at all. These pocket operators are actually pretty simple to use. Not only does the box they come in have a set of instructions, but even on the back of the unit, you'll find some handy references for how to do certain operations. Teenage Engineering's site also has a ton of resources that can pretty much help you answer any technical question related to all of their gear.
Oh, wait, Rick!
Pocket operators come in a variety of models, and they've been a big hit with users. So not surprisingly, this Rick and Morty Vocal Synth Edition retains many of the features found in those other models, such as a 16-step sequencer with patterns that you can even program and save, built-in speaker, transposing and scale changes, audio I/O for doing several things such as jam syncing multiple pocket operators, backing up, restoring, and transferring sound and pattern data. Of course, the most obvious feature, specific to this unit, is the inclusion of 8 different voice character sampling options, all voiced by Justin Roiland himself. In addition, each sample contains unique Rick and Morty visuals displayed on the screen. You can even tweak the pitch and formant of the samples, bending them in interesting ways.
If you want to ruin this thing, then hold record and press 1 through 15 to sample your own dumb sounds.
Yes! You can even utilize the built-in mic to record your own voice and apply synthesis to it after the fact.
Yes, you can even use the built-in mic to record your own voice and apply synthesis to it after the fact.
See what I mean? There are built-in drum sounds, of course, and if you happen to have the Microtonic plugin, which is sold separately, you can even replace the drum sounds in this unit with Microtonic sounds, so that expands your rhythmic sonic palette quite a bit. Overall, this synth may look like a kid's calculator, but it's definitely a bona fide instrument. And if you pair this with other pocket operators or musical gear in your current setup, you may discover a whole new way to enjoy making music. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to check out bhphoto.com for more info on availability and pricing of the Rick and Morty Pocket Operator, as well as other models from Teenage Engineering. This is AB, and I'll see you next time.